Hi, I am PixelPia. Today I'm going to continue my tutorials about TikTok. Yesterday I showed you how TikTok has so much more to offer than just silly dancing. Today we are going to install and set up our account. So let's put my phone screen up here and we can get started. Today I'm using my iPhone, but the principle is the same whether you use iPhone or Android. As you can see, I have already installed my TikTok. If you haven't done it already, all you have to do is to go, in this case, to the App Store and search for TikTok. And here you have it. But as I said, I have already installed mine, so let's open the app. I am going to create a totally new account this time. As you see, you can start with your Facebook login, your Apple account, or your Google account. But we are going to start with email. First thing we have to do is to put in our birthday. Then we have to put in a phone number or an email. I'm going to put in an email. And as you can see here, by continuing, you agree to TikTok's term of service and confirm that you have read TikTok's privacy. Since I already have a couple of accounts, I have done that. But if this is your first time, I suggest that you actually click these and read both the terms of service and the privacy policies. I will go through these in tomorrow's tutorial. So for now we just put in my email address, pixelpia@pixelpia.com. They want me to verify that I'm not a robot. Now they want me to create a password. And as you can see, it needs to be 8 to 20 characters, letters and numbers and special characters. I click next and create the username. Since I used PixelPia tutorial as my email address, that's what they suggested and I accept that. So I click sign up. At this point I can find contacts, but I am gonna save that for now. I'm gonna click down at the bottom right on the profile and just look at a couple of things here today. If I click on the image, I can upload. I don't think I have any images on my iPhone, so I have to upload that tomorrow when we go in through settings. If I click on edit profile, I can see my name and my username. I can set up my pronouns if I want that. And I can write a short little bio. I can add a non-profit if I have that. And I can add if I have an Instagram and a YouTube account. I'm not going to add that to this specific account. Let's go to the home screen. And now my account is up and running and I can start to scroll through the TikToks that are uploaded by other people. And I will talk more about that on Friday when we are going to start training our TikTok app to show more of the things that we are interested in. As I said, tomorrow we will look at terms of service and privacy policy, and we will also look at some settings that you should change for security reasons. I hope to see you here then. Hej då!